Hello to Australia. My name is Dick Butker. I'm CEO of MPS Micropaint Germany, and this is a nice duster. Whoops! So we see here that the duster makes 3,200 cubic feet per minute. This is, I don't know in Australia, it is, you have cubic meter per hour. This is 1,500 cubic meter per hour. So we have a filter system here with the overspray filter, the main filter, and the activated cone, where all the VOCs, isocyanates, etc., all the poison things stay into the cone. If the filter going full of these poison things, the surface going wet, and then you have to change. And there's also automatic. The filters are full of dirty things, the machine shut down.
Who uses this machine mostly? Who are your customers?
It is, we have a lot of paint shop customers. They use it for the filler, but the most they use it for spot repair. So for sizes like this maximum. But we have also an air report where we clean one door and one fender, and the duster cleans the air very well.
And how many of these units have you sold?
So worldwide, we have about 25,000 units are sold. In America, in Canada, where the highest rules are, the duster is legal, and in Europe it's the same.